Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Nova 5X Arctis headphones and I'm going to tell you how to fix the issue that your Equalizer presets don't work on the Bluetooth connection mode. So as you can see, here we are in our application and in engine, and we have to click on our headphones. Here, as you can see, I'd select my private Equalizer preset, which is somewhere here. So let's don't mind about it. I have to select, for example, Delta Force Equalizer preset, and as you can see, if I switch to Bluetooth, there is nothing at all. So here we have to select our game 2. I didn't know what it was, so I will select, for example, Palward, and here 2.5 GHz. Here Palward, we have to select 2, and our Equalizer preset would work the same on 2.5 GHz wireless and Bluetooth. And if you don't have your Equalizer set in Bluetooth, you won't have your Equalizer. You won't have this and this is how to fix the issue. Now you have to click save, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.